All right, so I've been shopping for some of these wheels. These are American Racing Torque Thrust 2. These are 20-inch wheels with a, need to clean that tire up a little bit, 245 45R20s, a ZR20, whatever, there. Just to make sure that I knew what I was doing, I took the rotor off so I'd make sure they fit. They do. And so I'm gonna put the rotor back on and install the new wheels. And pray to goodness I don't have any rubs or anything like that. Go.
Kind of got me saying go with it on that.
No, but that did.
No, it'll be alright. That'll be funny to watch.
I could have edited that out. And then right in the middle of this video, you said, kind of got me saying go.
Well, now we're just listening to a funny conversation.
All right, here we go. All right, raise that jack up a little bit. All right, one side is done. I got clearance, really good in the front. It looks a lot better in the front. The back I'm coming up with. I know it looks like it's tail dragging a little bit, because it is. I'm gonna do a coil over in the back and replace my shocks. It's gonna stiffen it up, I know. The guy I bought the wheels from, he agreed, but it'll pick it up. I do have clearance though, so this is good right here.